Are you a garment manufacturer struggling with chaotic inventory management? Facing delays due to inefficient production schedules? Losing customers because you can't meet their demands on time? Welcome to Codeverse, the leading ERP and CRM software company specifically for the garment and apparel industry. With our C-Edge ERP software, manage the entire manufacturing process from yarn to finished products seamlessly. Whether you're an exporter, brand owner, or FOB, streamline your operations with our comprehensive ERP solutions. From raw materials to ready-to-wear, our ERP ensures every step of your manufacturing process is covered. Enhance productivity, reduce waste, and meet your deadlines with ease. And once your products are ready, our Hexa CRM takes over. Create stunning product catalogs, manage your sales pipeline, and keep track of inventory effortlessly. Hexa CRM is your ultimate sales companion, integrating seamlessly with order management systems like Unicommerce and POS systems. Whether selling B2B through marketplaces or retail outlets, our CRM handles it all. Gain valuable insights with our powerful analytics tools. Understand your sales trends, manage returns, and optimize your inventory. With Hexa CRM, every decision is data-driven. Join the revolution in apparel manufacturing and sales. Visit our website to learn more and start your free trial today.